How to use IB, Degiro, Flatex, top ETF tools for Europe. Interactive brokers, IBKR, best for advanced users. Automatic FX conversion available, but with small spreads. Advanced charting, API support, and portfolio analyst for performance tracking. Degiro, best for low-cost, no-frills ETF investing. Typically €2 per ETF trade, plus small connectivity fee. European investors looking for cheap and easy ETF investing. Flatex, best for German and Austrian ETF investors. Invest as little as €25 month with zero fees on selected ETFs. Long-term passive investors in Germany or Austria. IBKR is best if you want access to US-listed ETFs with powerful tools. Degiro is great for occasional ETF traders who want low fees and a clean platform. Flatex is ideal for automating ETF investing monthly without worrying about commissions or tax reports, especially in Germany. Thanks for watching.